In the beginning was everything. And everything is made from 5 different energies or elements. The first element is slightly different in nature to the rest. That element is space. In space, the 4 other elements are created. Vibration in space we call air. Combine 2 kinds of air, it creates water. Vibration in space also creates energy or fire. These 3 elements combined creates another element, soil or earth. We need to protect Earth. The Lifeline project teaches you to be conscious and responsible with Earth.